Hello and good evening. I'm going to do a video recording about the pre-K kindergarten lesson video assessment. So I will be talking about my lesson as well as the observing and documenting methods of my lesson and how I am assessing the students' knowledge and understanding of the terminology or words that have been taught. So I was starting off my lesson with reading an informational text. That was Little Elliot in the Big City. There are a few concepts that I will be addressing from the textbook based on children's developmentally appropriate level of understanding these concepts and, for example, print concepts and how that will help them apply to meaning and knowledge of the world. So with that, I'm going to start right here. Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties. Just happened.